Greetings, everyone. I would like to tell you about my dream for a world of equity and unity. Like Martin Luther King Jr., my dream is that the world would be just. To me, a just world is where all races can be friends and stop fighting. One thing we need to address is the death of black men such as George Floyd who are killed for no good reason. How we can address it is by reminding police officers of the Declaration of Independence, which says we hold these truths to be self-evident, that all men were created equal, that they are endowed by their Creator with certain unalienable rights, that among them are life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. The Declaration of Independence was a promise that all races could have equal rights, and people defaulted on that promise. My dream is for a world where black and white people have equal access to good jobs. The reason why is because everyone needs money to provide for their families. My dream is that the women are paid fairly too. A way we could stop the pay gap is that people could contact the government and the government could make laws where the women have to be paid fairly. Finally, my dream is that slavery ends in all the world, in Asia, Africa, and Latin America, where forms of slavery still exist today. Thank you.